Hey y'all, hey, it's Tracy. It's time for a moment with me, Tracy T. Okay, so listen, my pop-on veneers are here. Okay, inside the veneers, they send you a toothbrush. They have some tabs for you to clean them, and the impressions that you had. So I guess that if you are interested, you can get a backup pair. I'll read this when I've calmed down because I'm super hype. Okay. I'll just hold on a second. Okay. So here's before. Missing. Okay, here we go. Oh, wow. Look at the difference between, ooh, wow, okay. Okay, and then here's the top. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay. OMG. Okay, can y'all see? Wait a minute, let me move this. Do you see? Oh! Yes. Look at that. Y'all, I'm ready for the world. Okay, look at the difference. Let me see. Hold on. I wasn't banking on that. That was me. See, they fit my teeth perfectly. Oh my gosh. Oh my dang on gosh. Okay. I'm gonna pause for 1 second, okay? And yeah, you probably hear a little bit of a lisp because it'll take me a minute to get used to it, but they're not bulky. They fit perfectly. I'm gonna take the top off just so you can see, and hold it against my teeth so you can see the difference. So you see they're secure. Look at the difference. And I told y'all I had I wanted to make sure I was recording. I had bonding done on my teeth, right? So these are actually my incisors that were bonded to look like my laterals. And so it's this space that are now the incisors that are being replaced. And so this is what it looks like out. If you're wondering why my teeth look a little wider than normal, that's why. And here's the difference. Look at that. And they literally pop on. Oh, that looks so good. All right. So now I have the opportunity to share with you. Thank you so much for going on this journey with me. Y'all have no idea. They feel comfortable. They feel light. Thank you, Pop-On Veneers, for having a solution for me that will finally give me a confident top and bottom smile. I mean, I can't even explain it to you. I hope that your smile journey is wonderfully blessed. You are everyday amazing, and that you live like it's a gift. Look at that. It's like, right? Y'all, hey, it's Tracy time. Yes. My case, it has a mirror in it too, so you can just, and baby, let me tell you something, it's Hollywood white. It's Hollywood white. Isn't it? What y'all think? Okay, all right. Mission accomplished. Mission accomplished. I know I got to get used to talking with them. It's a little bit of a lisp, but they're easy to put in. They're going to be easy to clean. I'm going to keep my little container. I love that they gave me these impressions so that I can get a backup pair made if I want. And wow, those are my teeth. That's crazy. So yay, that's it. That's all. Make every day amazing, and above all else, live like it's a gift, y'all, because it truly is. I'm so excited. Yay! Woo! Hop on Veneers. You did it.